Thank you so much for giving us this platform. Like, much more. It's a big thing for them also.
The episode debate me logo shasha. Ma reason mada.
Camera lesson for
Ma kya show mara.
Camera should not. I'm always there. Hey, so the Bhuchung ita platform di. Takas pakas marata.
Individual makeup drink tangmo ita.
Touch up.
가르쳐 봐요. 이거를.
Just let's hamolo. Ngeming la Dechen Dolkar artistry, educator sigi, and entrepreneur sawaji. Chikle jiro ding ngai chinchibu ma ding egi getu konzo chinirwa. Ala konzo nyam to chik Quran's life transformation change do. This is like it what makes me going. Come show, this show.
냠냐 야부 정상하라 망고지 센서라 네가 아이큐도 파는 수도 배바지 아자지기 때문에 망고지 내요라라 몇 정도야 아자 냠냐 빼만 무산 충전이야 디인등하라야 아자 때문에 등하라 빼키우 정사다 아자 때문에 망고지 일다 럽종 망고지라 송라 먼저
是的 idea la ande basic ya pull up giriya ya kila din si ani ne phalla wa da de le chiwa ngone client gang la ya pet khaga de da ngazo kija do she ji de ane je thana shu shu me do la ra ani ta je resha ta dry do ya ani shampoo da din zo khaga ga yora onde je yang je de she ke shampoo cha go ra ani zo la na si ani onde client su le na yang zo de she ge yori ya changmala di chuna ya go re di ma chu ro ya ndero onde de shampoo inde go da ani ta la care after care inde ya 상망아 저 되시게 될래나 아니
Sangine Quran's tam lo mang bushula nyami mang busa and dini salon pe lagiwa. Lo issue is all about kalege nyamyu sa. Lo somchu sinda. Nang manzo ene after 30 shini business chi is gotsur. Thande ABCD jangde business ne manjitila de jangai mang busido. Tanga pe proud moment resha nyama thengchik opportunity chikras thanda show dile che ro 2025 khaji all India beauty hair and expo chik July sogor so ni sogor chik Mumbai sogor chik Delhi so Delhi lana yangya Dechen Salon team da nga dila show dila chu so and I'm very excited nga ani pheba na basamo la melam gya show I make pheba
나중에 beauty na condition. 지겨래. competition jo래. 가래.
yeah this chick thambo ni la this competition chigor it's just that the social media la like comment dang any message in the chick encouraging message to chick china chick what deserves that brand launch to someone lichana tang de wala ma testing check feedback check the vegan color pe yahu yorda the vegan nalo na ya sao ka vegan ka chima pe shu chu so that because of brand sawa chile weekly ding anga sa testing so and testing chain ro feedback pe yahu brand mamboles ni di ya to leba so khonza ma jingi ki review take jura ni ki ding ola mang ta ma ma bo chi chor ni ki bo chi fu gure khadi so di pe ya bu na ya shido yet and then I got selected as their main educator and brand ambassador the team complimentary makeup to hotel wala glam look and another their photo shoot chiya so ni aji concept handle na anzu dela just simple sweet and kind of little so you're not just getting a service, you're getting a whole experience of like dream makeover.
Just
Makeup chi? Yeah. For their like studio, like they close it up lawyer. I mean, so 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. They share out any down and see it together.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving us this platform. Like, much more. It's a big thing for them also. Like, it's just seriously, 상관에 메이크업 좀 당겨. 보면 상관에.
가지니.
Like, I'm so passionate about it. 말해.
The episode debate me logo shasha. Ma reason mada.
Okay. Artist na watch this. It's not mix na. This just a little bit. This blender. Blender. Some. I'm ready. This chicken eh dong bala ke ba this tour
Right.
yeah like and hale wo chin da thong ma dai ne pe dong ba camera la smooth thong gur
나 그냥 쇼 말아.
kala shuna I'm always there you know this china it always looks you know kaisina bujina ita platform di da spas maro ata it's a big platform ne bujina la cinema sama ne well prepared also
인디비주얼 메이크업 등 당보인다.
touch up kai chiwa ko da ta yang ke shi de yang ate si nam la ta go
야, 갈치네. 과다니 전에 전에 진짜.
kang ba thi mara
팀아. 진짜 넘기 앵글 뷰를 동안 고쳐면 앵글 갈로.
so ngajo mi changma la wa profile your face ka profile so khasha khaje left khasha khaje right profile your so like
나 그냥 소소하고 그래. 신발하고.
susu hagur
오케이.
so I think nga hasan interview chigi time ba ta nge ji de pujula ji de rish
Right.
like that's the one
아, 오케이, 오케이.
yeah right nge ji left
딩 first time 되다. 이 인터뷰라 메이크업 짜서 제
kha ho me ko mare touch up
touch 안에.
touch up 치고.
가르쳐 봐요. 이거.
so makeup is a proper makeup like foundation like concealer that's how much touch up is just a tinge of like tongba tangma this chick smooth hoye chi
또 완전 넘기 된데가 도난거로 요말하다. 살론 중단기 효과인기라. 디 가진 계신 못 차고.
kaisina I think tapena pujula gi platform doji wa na ro I think now you have achieved a lot like you like interview dine mo me ngajo ga ji da phebenangi one of the like top people and your platform is very big mare so when you are coming to the interview keji sheda present chidam pe chama pe abud but I think like you know if you just do little bit of touch up it just add little bit of like professionalism to it and phajo ine casual ma chaji you know pujula gi interview chisa mi petho professional ephigore mi random la story it's all about story and awareness so the platform they out of respect some people they do respect but some people when you give opportunity like you know delay this professionalism you know just that's my opinion
Thank you so much. Yeah.
does it matter
Yeah.
the ngai opinion jigda
yeah. 나 지금 완전 audience 에도다.
yes that was so much the platform chawor da so da lo chinji ra
니마 디지나 니마 니께 시고 디체 디디 디고 맞아 야마
di renovation chi
아
di pe lo ko bo chosine thanda I think this is the perfect time
yeah
kaisna didi kege ngala interview le ma ina thanda yena thanda gi ngi experience ta observation thana manjuri la de ne chik ta gi kola didi gi lobjong da thanda gi nyamyung gi observation ji ora thanda da nyama china thanda pet ma ga than yema shel digam tang arang gi ngoma gi experience she gre ne thanda makeup gi manjuri la le ni rang gi ta ga na like awareness ta mangbo ji thong challenge up and down ta mangbo innovation mangbo ji chho erwa ngara rangi ta study da experience era ti pet manga eta I'm more confident now
되게 drink to a gorgeous
ke go so tu ji chele ngon ta negi
배 아주 델레니 당시 그냥 돌다 라
nga like nga I can't express like nga I'm so grateful kaisna it's just that nga ngon ta ne na pujula di nga ngara chipu camera la thwen da di chik mo mare ke gi platform di gi gyuni tangarangi tangajo army do jera ta odi gi ta penanga leader do ina ngala tangi pu student pe mongber they look up to me you know ngi life la career la khandi passion chi do dila khanje gi pen thok do dinde sangma che laiwa so the ended platform ra ani ngarangi career pursue seriously passionate chidu gala and chidu gala and khonso ine samshi mong bu ke ra yangsa
yeah thank you relationy thing coffee right
let's coffee shade
네
coffee shade let's make
그냥 coffee cream black coffee
I think ngazu sama black coffee
okay,
sir yeah
그 자승이 상마 black coffee 동 거라
this energy
okay
let's this shade this energy
가진 ni mara district tagi dicha de da.
I can see that.
Yeah.
That is better. Like touch of chida.
Okay. Dege. Ta nganzo chita trala thona yo dan ju da mangbuji kirang ta ngoshin gyo ra.
No.
kirang namki ta ding mangbo ra. Ta kirang ngoma simban de US na kirang artist na khande sir.
Now, Tichina, ridiculous.
Kyawache ma khande de ne.
Just let's hamolo. Ngeming la Dechen Dolkar ani tangarang ki profile di Dechen gawa na nga artist chigi, educator chigi, ani nga entrepreneur sawaji ra. Ta so ta thanda manjutila la nge gi ta ngosh ta phebe gi ningweshen de thanda Dechen Salon gi ningweshen go ta di nge gi manjutila nanglo la ngarang gi studio chinji ji ngarang ji imba body gi ningweshen go which is like completely rooted with the passion and community the purpose ki kang root chadam de odi chine like community the purpose kang ra so di gablo la du mangwer and thanda maybe like khali tindura and chidang gi ta thanda nga harisam slana thanda the community the purpose de shega wena chidang gi ngara zu phebe community chikla le gi khomba ge chikta ro kaisina kesi ngala community the purpose the awareness chikte go samna nga pheba chezo nanglo la kamba masha bodonga any awareness system do so di thongan di thana di studio di it's the birth of this platform di chuni chure so now let's talk about like awareness tagging on awareness education kaisina mi thama ke khengire thanda bado salon is all about services tas makeup tutor but ngarangi chik dibula history da lobjong chigyo jerwa ngagi lobjong mixe guitar rangala lobjong tadi thaku chi shuena trichologist today lobjong to it study about hair science it study about like study the cosmetic the medical gi study the practice ni jang yam do chine min de ta da scalp gi nang lo la khari problem de sama kola ani awareness mang bodo ji che ani pheba nang la latest trends khandere sha ani di mayem pe so ta hair the beauty industry gi growing market ji gerwa di pheba chi zona la te pheba shwenge mangbo ji gla mene career opportunity gi lam den te ta ani most important like nga pheba ki me samwa la ngone thani gi pe empower chi transformation video zema se chik simple ajala jik thongyani phere and dil bat kon fully transformation zema jik se ne like dream life makeover te gi ji khadi na video se I always wanted that so that the terms and condition mangboyer that khalore dela points mangboyer dil chegi and last ta dang mental health ki kola me de tishika do chiro so dide do chin nga Dechen salon che Dechen sponsor la
reda dinga la nga shifter ta khali gali da na kirang di kaplo dung mangbo yo lemba kirang su tala ing le da tona le da jura di ke chimbu thong da
la
juma maung ba ta da deoi ke lobjong chigo same jura di kan le
di dum pengin jumor la ngayema ni chinjin ta yema chinjin ta I was very passionate about hair tala pe kawe ta lopta le di dina
chinjin la lo ka
I like pe chinjin ta the log go chu ni ra ra yama las khadu na ngata se tip top de dirlas pa changma dirlas ta gyushe ge lagu mare sanga khadu na ta de churi re shagirlas lopta le na khadu na ta churi re shi lopta la dugre digje churi re digyo gegen sama pe gir ra ta khadu na churi re digyo kola khonga chapadi chue ro da chigiro home remedy changma chigyo da ngara chi changma la lap to chigyo ani tv nang la ad thongyo sunset ad thona ngai at chera na because ngeta yo yang bor ngi gi roko samai nge sa kyoda ngi maji ta ge at chinge ji cha sa le kyo din de gi ta obsessed to le ro so ta when I grew ta ngala ta chizo na lo la ta career option mang bo ro ta de mang bo la na thang bo na than ta mang bo ye ma mang bo shida yo ma limited re so ta salon la do hairdresser the beautician che gi the member district mandaji chigo sam stirang gi lobjong china 100 dolan ro so ngarang gi college du college university du ni correspondence course chigi nyamdo la bachelor of computer science ka je attempt chigi html da java jangi chigi
odin to khasin jang
khaisina didu computer is like pe IT dinjo sama pe information technology is like kurang khari ne chik dona computer shengora kurang mangbu chi shengoda so I was low jinachungi thene I was like there was fire in my belly I was so ambitious nga chik chigi leje do chik chigi leje so tanga jinachungi thewada ya nga changma chigi leje to nga college nga regular drama khaisa I thought ngarangi samjirda college we apuda pere but I thought it's a waste of time nga phadro distraction ire samsa and nga college correspondence le bachelor of computer science NIIT ne pursue chi ningi complete che amad Java le wadanga ani ende go khoyo go just but dinjo sangma pe phan do do computer nanglo la phan to ta dini chigi khachirela na hair gang la lobjong susu range chigi and dini that this lobjong gi pe phan do do and the hair is a brand khandi thungu to nga jo TV la tengu product khaga resha jo salon sha product khaga resha the product de khawani legi do la jora and dini opportunity segi Radu the opportunity hair company la rasra and khona zorangi training day and dini trainer sasnga lamsang lo chinju rang la I think I was 19 I was handling my study logjong chi lega chi part time sangwa chi so jangi ani dini nga chige ni hair stylist inji hair stylist pe hang sai gi international stylist su sa hang sang they're so educated. Khonzo gi hair gi science kola dinde desha yabu gas nga adelas and math science thangma jore do. Di thangma dom che me de color formula hande so gore khana gitta nanglo lo problem khare yore scalp dewa kha re dinde kha le and dine chin curiosity mangale and dine do tiranga la lobjong chi and brand kha company kha la brand ta manda in good hair khaji the exclusive brand is leng Tizuyam to as a team lagachi khonso training tigish because I was very young so nga pe energetic yora ngala lapkir ta training pe autir and nga pha dugi ro and it ended to chin training te ended to chin education rangla dor ro hair science and trichology and tini chin nga wa gochu so ki inji tatwe da dijo chipo member beauty line la me de lopcho shu dwa samaj educator khachi role pe shu chimbo dwa sams nga dini chipe passionate just start love gala and dini lo mombo jinga as a that lo khazure hair educator salon training manager that salon nang lo la labe mombo jior ta de do chine trainer educator chine sa lo chungi center chine ter but the nga ji chik incident ning jumo ji khati chungslan da low I think low she's ngela inget low shingas ngela inget peje ta nga didu salon mangboji la training jogora didu nga Mumbai gi training la to didu ani ta nga la training ta nga gyu ani didu la ta nga didu nge gi khadu ne lega chidu me de khadu ne there were always two kinds of salon ra ta nga anjo visit chogora salon la visit chogora salon lega chogora salon visit chidu then the first category ta nga salon chik to ba salon basic oh my god very zippo it's a big salon it's a very busy salon but at the same it's running like a factory factory nang chi run chi everybody is like salon me staff korang sumji shipji chik che ta la chi lead customer tanga I'm just sitting there observe chigora because ngala jangai pe mora udo ani khonso gi customer like oh cannot tap damage you have to do this customer anxiety hora lej oh my god ngal ganja chhing wala give me this product lej and go and then I realized oh my god the ki khonso gi concept debate kora it's like it's a money making machine re do asameja salon le de pesha dinde su do asameja ale samsa salon pesha dinde sin su do asam 예 pesha su do asamsga ama sams nyambo ye do asamsra tanga 항상 so ta chik lega sidang thong ro and the sams and ta this thanen jumaya anga salon shemba chik la visit chimba tokto chinji chito zuwa da ya salon do chemedo it's like ropai nang la juge do jiresh nang la zuwa da changma pe chilresh wipe khona yo salon do mi do Now it's so there. Be welcoming thoughts. Hi, how are you? Do let's not over rushing weather. Hi, how are you? Looking so good today. Let's bang in Jumoya. Gaira. So don't go to like if somebody is saying something good, Gaira. So and jinda and tanga pagil this good but they do any customer list or customer le do kala ta jinda dirish. Be friendly, full of energetic. Kime ente now does ajala. She's like so energetic. Aura di now dola. Client na masha ito hi like trobo nang si masha. So kama chong su siya kada kung sa keja siya dis tagi problem gala. Ani mo pe genuine advice is nga ngayon din ba kala nga jang ora ta kala ore nga phal lab ka dore ni mangbo ji shingi do. And observe she did literally genuinely ente advice ya putes. This how the service din de putes ra. Time, attention, service, and full confident boost in thanks. Customer. I was so impressed. And this is young now does a young image visit Chicago. More social service chidish. Promotion low change the element that sedan any sanitary napkin use down the chick mangochicola education kid. Wow, now that's like something I really want to be some. And Kissy Maumba. If any like nga kesi salon the studio do pe wa na studio rang pe gran chashira pe na category thambo da nga chidu sam ware sans because it's too much pressure chaos like big investment big pressure jinda la pressure jinda ke pressure the staff ke pressure the customer la pressure and it's like problem di mata wache then focus completely goes on sale. Second category is genuinely Suzuki profession ding on it hanegi genuinely dedication chini customer laiwa kibujik se pesha chik lane some but she is going happy and that feeling will be that for forever. Ani chik morangi team das hamakala like education Tibetan I was so impressed nga some nga mizila salon pe wana I want to be that other woman chik second category chik is so that studio the Dechen Salon studio goes to the concept dirang shar khai jamida che me gyo che ta rang che ta le gyo nga zo phomu sangwa la khate ne me de lopchong yima takpa and su le way nei like you know hair education hair acknowledgement cannot tell a problem khato dinde khande so what if condition follow chin relation chagar inspiration pani ra la
lopchong te che ani chal win kan ba
no
ye nga kunji di chi kunji ge ngi tala tonang kharcho go me ta khande tu go me dine kala nga zo this loves ra nga zo ngi to na go mara dine kala digi kran so ki mission do
small effort but make a big difference
coffee chain me
ale lesla
digi kran ima tenda tang lobjong chibe ka su pheba simba yo mara lobjong chi
당봉아 고츠도 배바 베징이 식만데 싫어요 마 엔디니 칼리 아주 배바 직 예당이 게다 숨게다 따다다 오 시어다 야마 당보 스타팅 라 베나 나타 수도걸 타데 베마 추르네게 배바 보모지요 항상 기타스 I think new channel yama cover cheers are more like she's really good like touch styling model so that doing some be hard work you chidangi me khashal some TV now some people just get opportunity from somebody else khashe ki opportunity so create for so colleague and so opportunity ras hagyo there me shambal shadu gala and it's easier for them so pema chore someone like mona ranging ma nikale kya pe kale kya lega chi khawa sala to so mona sing so much gyore ani tenzi kinzom lange muchior like nga to chi
so jagale
do you know so chi gyore
okay
nga chi bol kya gala and deni khali gala and head and to wa za ITI ni yes nga tonin gai didi also tonin gai khachinga training manager de ni head and toma ani khali khali nga zogi lega chidang dita du la company suine kran do rang khe kinzo lega chidang pe ya bo to since to pe dedicated to ani kran zo ko shela ani nga zogi khama ma gi pheba gi team khwe gi like you know try chiyo didi to pe mongole and pe ba ta
Tibi motu dinang kira lo shanga sta nyung sa do dinang ni ma nga tu tu pe jin kira tonin ga irwa
ngajong ma de chidu nga tuning gai mari tidu I think nga looks tagi some
pila manager ro shida
training manager yeah salon head
din konsu gi pila tinde la chawada susu gi tinde studio ro singora tiborula keba do chishu
keba ta up pros and cons ni jad ta pena nge thanda that lega lo mangbo chigi kale kya ni position tho chig le go ra ta nga trainer chigi dine nga educator chigi dine master educator che dine nga ambassador che dine nga head che salon head che le jo ro ta management assistant manager and top manager ta position mangbo ra susu lo mangbo kale kya ne top chig le se du ngala ani comfort yo ra pe and susu wala lega chinge mangbo susu shi lega me and di ta nge gi vision chile dinge semi ro simduga la to hobda mal detsu ta up and down ngi ja chigor tanga ha lega chi chu ta ora so dita tu wala kale mangshe di phage team yora everything is like order day ji burta sangma lega khon chi chigora susu ga aida di din de chigor kyo di assign chigor mal susu lega chi mix e cheu mar ta delele de susu go cheu to so electrician ke ton plumber ke ta lega chaga chi en mi mangbo ji thu da so dila this chick kale chesra oni tane kale mambutis the plus point dikharila na the pena nge ki background the educator ra so educator de nga mixe a client sigo mas nga client until unless the client blunder chana the stylist ki chigi the client the thola sikang sha ta like last case like the case cha so le jo ra some yor da ga da chigi de wala ta thola da case surta
kya samanya
I'm the rescuer, not rescuer. So in a blunder do chana any other to case they handle chi khare ne like see tell age do nga profession jig do mi sama yam na ta chingi ta rang chagi do ani yang ta nga mangbo jing yam yo ra mangbo ji ke ta gi lopchong he science technology education innovation ta mangbo ji formula salon da manage any salon nang salon client handling staff handling operation mangbo ji gala experience yora so ani the handle situation kale how she tit and the handle cherta and handle cha dur ra but eventually susu rang gita swear do the inde chigo e mare chige mara ta so kibuchin de de ro ta and ta didi booking gala freelance makeup ta styling chiga duyo a kana cube the makeup chair styling so ta dele de ta odi ngal pe raskala no operation de kablo la mendo duina nga jle ate me so dele de ta Instagram page se and dibula mende transformation video pe se do sa ta dele na odi ta chik passion yora susuk de ba ji yora ani ajala de sara ta le ra aja le da chuni khen le ra aja ku jita nge dinje se ola ra ta mola ta jik se bet khora Jennifer Lopez do makeup jik chu post chidang jikla photo shoot kora chi like I love it and didi ki me jigi uplift chagyo jigi yora because changbo sha ora nganzu ki woman nganzu ki me in so many ways like thanda ki male dominant role la yadu wala ani nganzu ki me ki role khazu mangbo thabdu wala they are still not like appreciate mangbo ma chidu wala self esteem sama ji mangche this lawyers ra ani tapena tanga jo pheba ki ajala do jin so na ta she's handling her kids she's handling her husband susugi business eta orta ta nang da or business ta orta all rounder eta jo pheba ki me da onne sum lao kya ki me yang khwa ya ge na ki wsin de da pu this tagir mod shima end lega yo marta nga jo like kudos ra and appreciation and they pay like pay responsibility gonna zuej and she forgets herself ani the more transformation into the I gave into feeling she's so happy call in a ding ki me hina mena sabe so that kind of feeling oh my god I swear to god like nga pick you da so yeah so dinga like nga di khole lega chine rasamar like nga so pheba community rangla so this is nge haji client majority sangma mothers married and middle age this is how because we connect so well yeah so like that
근데 kirangi Tinga la kishi sa the psycho hygiene kana.
Rao.
So ta gi gyuni psycho hygiene chigora.
Head and mental health. Yeah.
Namgi chidang tal thuna chinge da ma chinge odi kolla chig.
Enter Bhuchung pe kheje mo the head and mental health le do gala khande chigor la na thambo she the head and mental health la de dirta beauty is within susu rangi ta susu kibu the zema and the susu semba kibu na zema it's like this is some of the thambo show it's superficial ta so the makeup it's all superficial chikang ju sogora but me like the susu semba ya po da susu semba kibu da susu semba shide yong ye khejumra but sometime nge lawana she thanda when tak ngazogi zamli na society jinal de do wala kese phuda pomo lega yamdo chiwa na ta phujigre pomojigre ta pena phujina gi chik challenge nang gor nge chale ta nge ngara nge lega jin chigor we have same effort but appreciation may be phula manga ra gore and woman is undervalued so they like self esteem ji chai do and you de la nge lawa nang sing a merit homemaker business ta sama so when it comes to salon salon le do khare when somebody is very stressed and salon le massage ta na okay stress this slide or chira this glad or it gives you this boost air or so it helps in that and you de la tambushana that this stylist la pe di sugar pe na nge ki thambo category thambo ki salon chi class or thambo nge studying la like factory do they care about come go but nge ki category nge wa gi salon mangbo pe ra they do la studio den jogi khachi gire when somebody comes we talk we share khare ne thola so the dig mental health pe mangbo phen thoya jo like confidence boost share sometime what so many times I've like also kya client so mangche pe open your also pe bat so that this reserve the raw and khashe open up chai ra they talk about it like khashe ni chungala lapche pe mangbo kya ne to ngone thane ki like ngone thane pe ba nanglo la anga la mangbo ya ko tin thusra so nganja sangma chik la chair they just not utilize for hair but about productive conversation about empowerment and about so many things like boosting your confidence self confidence ta khare ne thola me so dila mental health pe kheba dore sam ke thora because okay Bhuchung you are stressed you are very stressed you are tired you are exhausted the salon dore and if like somebody tang pomodol okay relax how are you today and like just soothes you ke jenge bo khashi share just try to understand and khade to china you relax so that's mental health detail or serious
jingni psycho hygiene la de mun nam ki so tan zo this ya ga yuna teng zwe ya che do le ro ta ngu ra
yes the Bhuchung like khai so na ta nga zo pena the moment we look at someone the moment nga zo chik mi thu ai na ta kya scientist in a businessman in a khare na thambo nga zo khare thu adi we observe that I don't say judge but we observe that person like okay background khare but we don't know but observe chiwada deepawe we behave or react okay so you and me tangazo like we are completely stranger ngazo hop tamal thur and if I just came with rug jeans or like funky hair and the moment you see me you'll make a decision okay like you'll get that vibe okay do I want to talk to her or not talk to her or like the moment you meet like if I meet you like stranger you're not Bhuchung la I'm not Dechen so we met the moment we see at first time the observation rangi ngazuge next step the behavior the reaction the it matters so yes I think nga khari khecham bu to the psycho hygiene na no matter whatever profession you are kerang ki life la profession khari na re kerang khari lifestyle na I think grooming is so important very important you know why because nga thanda lokta la mangche di ko la share but I was di ko la chanda jele te shi ga but personal grooming the susu ga personality ga la work share I think it's very important because
you being a podcaster interview, you have your own personality. Grooming is just to enhance your personality, not to change it. Like I'm a beauty and hair influencer, so I also have to well groom. Like if I talk about beauty and hair, does it suit me? No. Ani pena dichawena, for example, and di nanglola stylist if a doctor, engineer they want to groom themselves. Groom chingi toward the scientists or the groom chingi toward the, but they don't know how to groom themselves. Like style then they go to salon and meet a stylist, like expert advice laura. So this is kesi salon do they should also give them a right guidance. Whatever profession khari and well groomed and khari and importance like you get it's an advantage. Yeah, put any I don't know it's true or not. So they forget real and did not zoo the minde Pumundas Tagia. Sangma dead, Sangma churi dead, Lunda forget the sweet Tanamatana Kirana, so they forget that. So I say that. I really believe the Sangma dead, the churi shad or the Haduna Sangma de chick chair. I think it's very important. The second thing, a stylist keep in a pitch house shavena, the grooming chair pekechumore in a grooming chida hakwe pekechumorda. For example, a teacher walks in a salon, tangala makeover goler, and the stylist said, "Okay, Cupid, now do this." Because the things of the teachers, they are very young, and gave her a very terrific, funky look, right? Funky look, she tell Dora, and it pay definitely paying but when she goes back to her Morangis University, the looked at her. What do you think? Will that suit her? Obviously, it will not suit the environment. That doesn't suit her personality. Maybe she looks beautiful, terrific, but that will not suit her profession and lifestyle. So, being a stylist, you should also understand. You're a teacher. What kind of look you're gonna give? Classy, edgy, and easy to maintain because so that is the thing. You're a mother, you need to give her easy maintain hair styling, easy maintain hair color. Because she cannot focus so much of hair care time to this. Now you're a celebrity, you're an influencer, you're a YouTuber, the influencer. Now give her whatever the glamorous look. When I do, and more lifestyle the maintain. So this is very important to understand. And this is my message to all the youngsters. Tibetan this color it doesn't mean you're a artist. You're a hairdresser. Level it only comes with lots of experience, passion, knowledge and dedication. Because be it lawyer, be it police, be it anyone, doctor, I'll do my best. I will be very honest with my job. So sometimes hairdressing is getting very commercialized. What I see, it's because it's a money. Pesha yours, but end of the day, pesha comes second. First comes your job to understand the client's problem. Khar the problem. Tell a problem khar to. Shuma handes maintain cherish. So that has to be very honest and genuine and lots of education. Mena susula education mena handes imgure. Social experience mena handes go through. So yeah, I think this focus what do you think? Ngara observation deda.
Ngara china direngala ke kuch knowledge yomarda. Ngara go maintain chitugi yomare.
No, that's why the maintain so we shouldn't give you like the high maintenance hair. We should give you a very easy maintenance hair. Like easy maintenance.
Degi that tonight empty nanglo penashna sa tatsalan mangboyora.
No.
Chigi thasta chugo digi pesha yongsare samni chungye jigdan chigi nyamnyu ran sa ni ta kyaina lochonga s nyamnyu sa ra ta kana nyamnyu sa re lobjon cha yore chik thong yore mangbo an chik tingala deshe gya osam gyore tingi parula 때 그냥 냠유사야라 뭐 보통이라 MT 나올라 어디 걸라 그냥 거네 직 따당도 가르쳐 줬어.
고나 이티바디 얘기
건다 당가 디 제트렉사를 튀어대 버리 있어.
고나
근데 사 MT 나올라 살은 생이 막 뭐라.
no
가시 냠유 교스지 사야래 롭정 교스지 젠치래. 그라이나야 뭐 보통이야 직조여라. 디보르라 다 오케이 니 튀어 처메교도 찼어요. 네 그런 거네.
땅하고
오케이.
소야 당보다 nga thangbo shaw salon mangbo leswa nga tanga enesams tangi impact yak buji awareness chikta leswa ta awareness yak sha samay jwa because like salon is a money making business, so everybody is now utilizing and how good samay chigdo. I'm very happy for that. I'm very happy for that. tangi thangi shiwa nangsing samay chigre, but everybody has a different ethics. I have my own ethics, and no matter what, I'm gonna stick with my ethics. Me, category number 1, category number 2. So ding arangi jawane. So it's a money making. It's a lot of money making business, right? The Shimbagi Pesha Suni, they expand their business very good. I'm very happy. One genuinely because community la chik pen thona samna chik awareness khari chone Shimba to Khuranzula susu they have money. Majority of people have lots of money. Everybody is like investments are there. So I think it's a very good. I'm very happy. Like literally pe kind of khawa salon juna aranzo kita youngster phuda pomole paper lega chigitona. I'm very happy to see that. Me mangbo job ra gora. I'm very happy. But ta 100 lana ta ine ngarangi lega chidang ta mi susu gi studio sim susu salon sim but susu gi nanglo lega chidang gi ethics ti ta this susu rwa ode do chine ya ta susu the ethics this susu sera ngagi ethics ngarangi principle dikhare lana nge ki soimba and do chine me de shimba ta digala thande mangboji deshege wana ta pena nge thangbo dele du gala me de 당아주 페바치 주나라 introduction 망보지 그 당몽에 고주도가 가르치네 awareness 망보지 가르 education 라도가라와 hair education 라도가 가르여라 나타기 나로라 자 scalp product 카페주 시당 client 팽기도 홈캡 섬랑 뭐 못던 so 자 라와다 남서 product 라 섬던 거 majority 부중라 survey 나다로와 majority people also nanglo me salon zur ta sur ma thungure product che tang mas product khare sha brand khare do tila sulfate dewe tila paraben dewe tila formaldehyde dewe ta tila ngala shuman ne ke gidwe tinzu che like ta thanda tis tagi na man I don't know la starting like ma che tai me do thambo le do ro ting e ton sra so now hair education the dinzu kola awareness la do khare la na Thambo product. When we talk about hair product manufacturing, the hair straightening dough, the keratin dough, the product, the coloring, the production manufacturing mambu chor chemical peshuk chomogala. When for example, if I talk about hair straightening, it's a highly straightening, smoothing, rebonding, even keratin. These are very highly chemical. The also chemical yugi. First is manufacturing. Second is testing, third is usage, right? So manufacturing a product chemical yugi than some source. New dela usage second dela testing the doors. Testing do hachigire you test on animals. Ribongala, tizigala. So that's animal cruelty. Right? Third comes to distribution and usage, right? Distribution that usage chigal and it comes to client. Service store. Then what happens? There's so many side effects. But people mi mangbo cha ha ko mar and dishe gang mar khashe the salon la stylist kora ha ko mar ki ni product phiju ta di shuma nga cancer na sir la ne ha ko mar so educator this is my duty all ta khadu na nga jo nga do educator mangbo ro ki it's very important for us to educate all these things hair straightening rebonding keratin nanglo la din the chemical shukcham di it really damages your hair within follicle damage here and shuma ta di thola chibu dumar it becomes brittle damage and the problem hair fall common problem hair fall hair breakage and the shula the health problem te jo the khashe ge cancer ge ingredient like there is there, and not only just for the clients chinge mi jigwa stylist, because when people are become very business minded, they don't care, they just put the stuff and chala mangje thangba samna ta the recent case like Tibetan da mangbo chi kenan thenslan we always thought it's from Europe. So many hair products are coming from China, we are not aware, and so many harmful ingredients. The client le ke ore stylist le ke ore stylist mangbo je thana chige de wala protest kha chogore ki we are kidney fail chawor lani. So this is so important, kidney, because of the too much of chemical in the product. The Ming do not think but there are so many big brands. Straightening, rebonding, keratin, formaldehyde, definitely very damaging. Ani khali ta L'Oreal ta hota, Scalp ta hota, ta brand mangbo chiyor ta. This is amayo. Ta mangche ta na case do desha. I'm not 100% sure ta na dik court case together get dik chawma sene. Me mangbo chi hairstyle, international hairstyle ma jo ta education guni international hairstylist mangbo chi ngosho wora. We talk and discuss about latest innovation, tal problem kha do, khari things are do lane. We talk, we have our own group. So khonzo gila na dinde to ta coloring product mangbo chila pe mangbo ham do stylist le ke do client le ke do lane me. So they are protecting right now. So because of that the solution gora. So the problem the I seen tanga thambo majority le do wala ngat dinjo sam practically nge color and yema piju na yang mara. So dinga shira yema nga ha me thambo show educate gang ne chine ma do stylist rang na gang na education te do ta su grooming che do da gang ni product color this she ga ma do sheba salon na ta coloring L'Oreal khande chiko re straightening ki kablo background dine nga shira she me yema. When I came to ta dinge ga ji, it's this studio is my ta khala orange ga ji dira ngarangi practice tang ngarangi lobjong chisa thande continue practically chisa dojing la nangsing ngarang lobjong chisa ta studio de la khusemi changara khari chugone chi. So then tangi nge village kya lejing is tam starting the sharo khonso ita so chigi do yoish na so straightening it chigi do and then study chi yoish na so tal ne gi do dine chine I stopped the study chi and stylist mangbo jela discuss educator mangbo yam discuss chi and dine ha hoya jo ki hala brand mangbo jeng ha go mara chunga anjo ki ha go mara ani ajo bad khona ban chinga then I introduced all vegan products, vegan organic ra thana ngarang gi use che ji ra changma organic ra plant based, second animal cruelty free, no testing on animal, third is human friendly, no side effect at all, no side effect. Tadinga shu join dinel home. It's just that awareness khadu ne kyung du wala. I always Instagram gi thuni social media is something like ngi platform yakshu de chadu wala some manzuki physically meal disha gya na khonzo go thum do. They feel I am too professional for this. I'm too professional, but I'm so used to it. Like I have to be professional because thing arang ji this is my honest to my job. So Instagram la khadu ne if I do anything I always mention ta di tinde re di vegan this is hamare because I cannot go very loud out because maybe it will be negatively impact like lamsang yakpo khaji chine negatively me ajikente go da but social media thula ende mangbo tendu gola my followers majority phebale manga kya ga yore chigele stylist salon brand company dinzo yarwa they look at my work ngi deshe gada so they get impressed and dini khali manzo ta meet chick to okay I really like your work, do you want to try this product lene market lo product khari sawa do chilena kunjo ka ding ngala li dhangshe ki test this tana din bol test chinge product pe mangbo yor ngaramna they give me any like brand tongda mangbo tel gyana lo brand tongda mangbo sada bazane lege ta forget it. Starting little people are taking so many products from Sadabada, it's like really bad. Company Horani product mabulenge but company nang this company toyer but like really good le jo pe yapu product brand yapu yapu kyungye mone thane ki genuine brand inde pe nang ek thanda lewa chona Olaplex to nga starting like this is genuine product ta thanda din so vegan din so the color din so some so khali khonjo approach chire ki check share me the feedback that in like how's this product and then I sit with my team ngajo practice here hala the appointment khashe sam getting appointment pe new ling why because half of the time I always believe in quality work client chick le ngi ling ya the chin tang because coloring is very easy Bhuchung doing coloring is the most easiest thing Bhuchung la ling thirin coloring jite wana you can apply it yourself it's so easy YouTube lata da but coloring it in the right way and that thola do damage chik do hodil repair change do that is a task and that requires lots of education experience and knowledge so dine do chen ta product experiment chi if that product de la kyen do na and ngajo fa feedback there and it chen so in the do chi any brand khran jing da thanda bu da nge dam le ge sang ma brand collaboration re it's not that king vendor am do you ni le make sure these products are very safe for my stylist for my ngara gi leje because ne leje sama they are favor and they're like my family khonjo gi help pe matter chi dunga nge client gi help pe matter chi dunga ra khaisina you know you have to be very honest about your job and digala min lobjo chepe khichwe sometimes people don't know and they just do it because lack of education and lack of knowledge maybe they don't know about it mare but scientific mangbo da kyo mangbo chi da so just dila semana la shani I make sure marangi brand kyungyo changma direct company yam the collab and we have a like proper dear so agreement so ki your brand is no side effect it's vegan it's organic it's animal cruelty free it's human friendly and anyway so this how much check and then only I can and introduce you when and daily to introduce you around client of fish and yam to and deep in the educated you so it's like that
coffee together down choose together the black coffee to choose this much in a diggy dehydrate chida
alhelas la re
because yeah the crowd and the dinang la
Bhuchung la chik sung da thanda ki session di is it interesting or boring or you look interested
yeah sure ine nga taga la nga ke shingyo mara digi samsam ni thiwa tak tak ku me do ra ine krang yang go chu du na an dini ra kalana samsam dira kalaw re namgyu khadi khakshu yung gul lasna chik ni cha ni ba shingyo na an debate che ra tanda chik che shingyo mara
아니 Bhuchung la ki chiwa pe amukina mone
되게 답변하셨나? 아주 베이직 답변하셨나? 보면서도 망치 드리랑 도나지다 붓 믹스기 나도 분항으로 도나지게 돼요. 나도 이제 다 달라 남규제디 도나 매교인데 인스나 도나 마칭이네 베이직 하고 거야 주라 따가나 즉 가져스 주고래 근데 깨지고 베이직 하고 거 knowledge 주라 근데 같이
tips
yeah
sure tips pumu suine hair and scalp is completely different kiran gitta la shampoo chidwa hair everybody is so concerned about hair tala thona de but scalp la thona timida actual concern is scalp kiran shampoo damdam they should always think pena tap dry reda scalp oily majority I think khashi ge dandruff khashi ge flex lana dandruff kinge la kaw go ji thingur dandruff ma change la signal ti reflex la lir thamu to hodi le care ma chen and dandruff chi and dandruff mangbo chana and alopecia la de chawor mi mangbo jo god ni ta lagi do so it comes like this so thangbo de la khatu na shampoo should always be concerned on your scalp if your scalp is oily you should clarifying shampoo do use and machine chi down simple as that khandere na shampoo di hapta chikla theng sum ra mangbo shida even if like nima takpa tu go na I think it's better nima takpa tu nge da athlete ne jo nima takpa tu go ra so sulfate free shampoo and mask this chuna ra And shampoo should always be done on scalp, not on hair. Go haditu ba inarwa. Shampoo di ta mangche thana sulfate free food in the mangche ente ta high maintenance humor. I'm sure they must be using thana commercial TV nalting ad in the dwa di ro piji tangi yukire. That is also fine because thana shida tala chimena ta they can use it, but scalp la chi tala ma chi khaisina din nanglo la sulfate the paraben ye dol kharir la na. When you wash too much, go to the purida natural oil samal la dur enter dry chadang din shower. So shampoo suina puina pumuina khatuina mene go scalp la chura shampoo chikchi shampoo ni chi and it tadi kangni khatuina tagi khwa chikero leather boso the chudiki me the chudiki. I think you should clean it, and I think that's it. And hair dryer na use a little bit of mask, very important. Kanada cuticle open shower ta nanglo la me de shadi cuticles your cuticle di shampoo chiwa the kha chiwa. So the kha gaye pe khechum bor. So mask and conditioner works as a sealing. This is a moisture lock shower. So you know keep this chick easy to maintain shadow that this chick take yakpo na susu semba pe gyor da. Ra ta sing de no ta sing la samay jada jingla ta thrin ta sing de podcast chigle da ja ta yo ha chira go de ya ta chira mask de this chura and serum de this chura da da la chiba shada mi kaya chida
kare khalar nas
ngazugi de la kukero ngazo nga khar samdi samna hair stylist la ta ngarangi susu believe mang bojora ngi khar samla hair stylist la de semba pe kyu de khechmo samgitra ngazo ngi khonzo le semba pe kyu de semba shiwa de le meditation che shoge ne mede khala ngazo positive de pe khechmo because it's just not the hair service we provide, it's the aura and energy. The ngara stress duhi atma chen de derda phujing la pherdra. I'm passing my negative energy to you. So I think it's not right. You're coming sad. The bad stress or exhausted sperda. The manzugi energy yapo contagious chaira. So I'm very happy, like very like pay or a cute in it did chira. So you hotel khade like na service is small thing. Everybody forget someone says they like to go there. Everybody, it's same product, same or more or less. Salon is changing this but what you provide to that individual from your side, that matters, and that has to be very positive. Ra pe positive there da na positive aura da phajo dila khadu ne one feel good factor da semba one thane ki lifting je chanju sembe ta chigera aura chigera chig there is something it's very aura energy pass here da it's very it really works. It really works. So odi pe khechim word thangudra what in derela
think kangi salon nangol mid solidi tamang chita tala ta teaching ro observation shukche shu kharchus ta tala thuna yunye tam menye parul
bujula thangbo nga dele swa thangbo nga le du thangbo she yegi ta yan dele dum ro shu yor da so nga thangbo dele du nga nge la na she nga starting ni pha lega chi dele lega chi pha ge the educator chi ya salon manage chi ende ro chi ge nyam do chi ge ta thanda khashi chi ge da yor da because ara kale mangbo gyan ge ajo jona os chagyo ro so dela this kind so I make sure that I'm completely updated. And interesting that kora yame dona nga update li maro so nga dela client update da chik ngara ju the ngara ju shenge de upgrade la ngara upgrade yabu kora ngara dela salon che shin de na ni yung mara ta pesha yabu yung do nga kang ba kyam de na no I have to study nga pha do lo jon chi khare ne upgrade chi so I do that ta nga phage le lega did nga proper job chi gor thana nga job chi me I do freelancing and all so ta nga de le su le do la ta nga zo lo tom na the professional just le and kerang gita la khari problem to any khari re any history khare la ne kishi do gala this chick approach dang ji ra like you know nge lawa na shi people felt I'm too professional chik halada because they this schedule chigo dwa nga odi chik environment the meaning of the adjust here this chik challenges ra semshi mongbo pe changyu chik yora nga rangi industry nang la pe yak but sige nga ta dela ta flop re same ja ye chik yo approach da re khari chida re chik yo chik khadene chik cancer wo ji feel chigyo ta chik nga chirang ma singyo jigyo keje shida inare ta khari ne chik madi kyo ro ja I don't know nga pe semshi mo chasta ye semshi chas ta khande chik ta yush ta pheba chiso da chik chie da pa shash ta dela ta salon chuje de ran chidu samare samsnga thambo starting dela mi handle kora chidu mu de samejo ki thambulera communication kora yo go chi ta nge ge approach chidang ji ro ni je khoje e khame khoje chidu thodu la namgi normal pheba thodu wala thanda I'm more casual than before yema I was so professional kala ta
ga ji zo la khal professional di this khaga yo
chida nge le a ji I have to be like penanga training do and I have to attend like 50 people at the same time and
fine like yo
yeah obviously professionalism is very important around as a head dungala maintain very like professional you do like and ngazugi la ora ta lega chi be professional don't mix your person and profession together ta ngazul lap cha mi samal do salon do ta jindagi je behalf la do pena salon management la training jaga do manager la lab go ra ki you have to be professional don't have a casual attitude like I'm like that khade ne la dugala so ngara professional dedingi lega le personal khai kuch masha lega chi and then susu nangla susu family am do ra so ende do chin de dugala and family nanglo my family belongs to a very simple religious family nge palam la pe chebar nga gomman is hargyur so nga jo gomman na chik de dan jera mi samala chik shesa gap pen to la so do da and the casual humor casual humor I never been so casual in my life ever family life pe ngajo chik nang life pe discipline do ro ya pala is like shesa ero da khala da this chik phi problem nge ma this sure chujul injil of the dora but still ngajo nang la mine pe pala pe well discipline shandu inji bi kyo do da ani chik la samala casual humor pe pala pe discipline la share ra ani legal discipline deding discipline pe casual chingi ora me ta delne ne casual is so odi chaso ani thambo starting la chima tu ra pe lega chingi de vendor de sida ya ese karo dollar ra gopcho ro ti do electrician ne vendor ne sama me de la manjutila gi ngazo gi vendor de sama south delhi the gurgaon la bat kong che so many things the challenges mo pe test rani mi ke shada the but nga focus khate la na ta chongya shingo mara ta studio sim ma jibo mara di it's a business chasa do ta tension rish ta khades manage go nima tak pa shoge la le pe tension des but nga focus khachi la na my USP is education ta transformation khali chi de ta in education and rang gala lega chi video se igi tinga ngana da theme da ini khattu ne pujala chik nima chik si darwa ni gitta sogyo gi wala khattu ne igi ring buch thur about the trend about the product about the education khattu ne dik yamman yor so fortunately the nidong ishu saksum reda nidong ishu saksum gi kima je jala shini ani ngala recognition this ras kha isna ngajo kya nang lagi all India hair international show jis word low rela so do and did salon chu damgor ta salon chu da stylist da educator chu damgor did nga chu so ta did color expert ta wor ta did gala educator nga ma yakpur management ga je pe nga yakpur and color expert nga che chama yura so it was a big thing for me color expertise pura te ngore and education chigore it's all life story life show chigorta phagila nga pe gas nga khare gas la na pheba phomu nga chibo phuchu phu gurish and nga phomu chibo odi pheba nga ran sam ta dini ta nga pheba represent chige ki wala sam sra ta tik pha dream ba ta nga yakpu chen sam yakpu chen ta khari ne mende nga la ta ne ta pheba mambu chik thanda bod ekam platform chimbo ramasa the training chigo re show do this chigo re ente competition share do the chung yamara so pha do wala I will do my best nga ngarangi community ga jita ming po jismena shamde shume sameja so heartless kale mangbo test kala ga gi chizuna la ga horizontal advantage mangbo ra yang zo pheba do le ne ta mi shambala chuchu chik ga ji stage lablo swera na ngala kamachu mandur mara jo but I made sure ki ngachi da ko har chi de ne I show chi in main de la ram walk chi ani stage gonna she mit ona mangbo odi gonna she susung yami wala deep product ta deep nanglo le formula dik wala she it was really good and didi ta yakshiro chungsra dini chene any pheba chezo nanglo la shini recognition ras shini mi de jogi ngala yo appreciate che gozes and that was the moment like ta kale gyani comfort zone you ni delele ni mi yu jikin le ra ta ti chi do tinji ji ten do asams and nge Bhuchung la nge mane thabo shuwa shi starting la this studio is rooted with purpose and community la sa so nge phamai khadu ne lega ya puchi lhasa namda chi khari yo da chokshin chi la ji khadu ne lapcha yor ani mila pento ani tak woni thane jungyu na susugi chizola lega chiler chizola ropa pento shambata mizele de ente do rele yipala chegoro business chi kyo di karor chi di chi la ma yu ko zo ende yo maro the very religious choshen chi shabji shu mene che so ene mita pa rele ende do re choshen chi ne ngala chizola pento woni thane jungyu na tanga di chi sanga award di rasuni ras jungyu ne chizola pento le ende khadu ne semanal de ange lawana shi di rooted with community and purpose la de pheba chizona lenge to chik chingi thuge la sa the recognition rawada I took that opportunity ani dini chini recognition rawada ani phebe gi NGO nyam do lamsang collab sheba dingela who will give me ra and dini lamsang phebe gi NGO nyam do lamsang collab chu khonjo ne they were very nice like tone thane EVP do and re idea ge khonjo professional training center de nyam do collab chi lamsang training workshop attend che go su imba because any awareness ta pula kharte urta pena if I go to a school ta busy lokta na meet up china definitely yeah and some rata lokta harlap ka na definitely I'm not promoting salon no I'm promoting personal grooming I'm talking about personal development personality development le de pe khejum bora pula khala da pheba pu na lo la wa chik la kang ba theninge sa go pe do but I felt chik confident le ji da pula nila mo opportunity mang bo na yang ke je she ngo sa do da jang che jik do so the okay that is your personality into what you see with it but kira le ga chi chidu you have to be like outspoken kira confident kira personality develop pe khechu re tinde ko la tum share do ta and kira gi future ta nge thoi ra tinde do chi na lokta la tinde do lap and then career center la hair dressing the beauty aspiring pu de course ching de la hair dressing na opportunity khari ore kira hair dresser chi bo mare you can be educator you can be kira maths like when you can be a salesperson in that field only kira marketing yakpo na you can be a marketing and kira in the makeup nail technician so PMU permanent makeup artist big vast opportunity kira jangilam tang shwa support lam ajate go but khaje you get the lam de en sigre kala the pu dun zola thana gi pu dun zola energy pair thunge pe mangbor social media dengan zo ga ga blenga Facebook man me ani lamde ya buchite na nga do chithu ye na nga pe introvert ye da te nga do la opportunity ra ye na thana shwenge pu dun zola tila ma chitu ra pe hang saeng gi not just India international khawai ne chik pheba nanglo la lead china chik company lead chen su chi po ge ne chini de mata chik khari ne global chik nyam do associate chine chik ma thundu gala I think it will be a very proud moment for me ra and it ocean ra
kya lobta da yama to ni gala te khodopi yu la jura kana shashna nima nganzo dia ta tingsan ta chisu ta di ko chu da so inge kyo de chila di nima lobta la lobjong sta majuna ni chik idea tanga do de nima yungu da nima de waranda
jinga pe ya kusons pe abosons ti topic pe abosons ti kolanga ngone thane gi keje she pe khechu mo thons ra bujula chidang gi this stereotype ro ki hairdressing ma zunge ji ge ro ta di pheba nang la yore pheba nang ta dur ro ta gya nang la yore ta ne pheba nang lo la ta shuk che gi di chi gi do pe strongly khagu da hairdressing na la zuwa na lobjo megyo mizela khung ma kyo I think nga thema chik nga zo show chik la zo chik la dream ba ani speaker digendelas mizela khung ma kyo gyo lobjo megyo dinzo pugu dinzo any hairdressing la join chiga yakwer something happened like this and I was shocked like samgi yore samay chigre but addressing it like so publicly I think that's very demotivating and these stereotype dinga ngone thane break chingi thosa this ne because yeah tapena ngai hair and beauty industry nga lobjo chingyo nga thambo dele de nga la endera demotivate nga la endera miktas I thought they thought I'm just a next beauty parlor person doing waxing threading and pedicure but beauty industry na la there's lobjo yogyo yore lobjo megyo yor everybody is there but susu ke category the susu ke place we susu lakpalra pena ngara do ina lobjo mangbo chene dik kamlu in the background le so my role is different my way of doing work is different and definitely ngala mi ge approach chida client su ine if any celebrity client pujungla meshe me da ngajo do ina ta freelancing chigora makeup da styling chigora ta nge freelancing makeup stylist chidugal majority celebrity reda they send their car make sure that I'm you respect your pujungla you respect and they pay so good right they pay very good so respect is different mazo company khawala jo and I mean the respect is very different but yes definitely ta mangboji nyamani awareness yo mara nginja khaya mar awareness midugala ani lobjong salon chisana lobjong ema chitanga dirang yin lan acceptance shisha ejo khungkyo masolani any lamde chinge medugala and these stereotype the break shape kechumbo do samsa so wherever I go ITL and TCC and wherever I go talk show khawala do na I make sure that you know it doesn't matter kitala khungma kyo mizala khungma kyo ne change the hairdresser chago mata maybe chage yugire but you are going to be different maybe chai yugire and the perception they change hora thanda ki lockdown chaswa recession chair mi tulong ye banchir lots of clothes mi movie ta do banchir mi vacation do banchir ta to be ta hairstyle che di khatu stop ching marta and then high profile people like politician athletes actor la mi che din mangbo pe like very educated people like dinzola when they are doing a haircut or something like this it's just that khonzo ine samge they don't just randomly get a hair done from any random person because khonzo you have no idea and Suzuchi ki session la they talk a lot nganzo ngai client yo ngai kime client like very empowering Suzuchi khonzo stylist gestion my language nga pa don ke che sheji wor we talk a lot so we as a hairdresser thana ngarangi experience la nganzo la ta library ra gi lobjong jaya ga ji doctor ga ji chik shingi du khonzo doctor ga ji ko khoran je thesis ta mang the ko la shir scientist ge khai ji mom ji khoran je scientist hi didi chi didi thana didi do the didi news ke ge la khonzo information ra gi do news reporter journalist didi do the inside gossip Bollywood ka khai ne chi ge hair makeup gossip so information shema nge la thangshwe so dikam ge informative de pe khechu bora informative che medal and di la you have to have a good personality you khechu bora you also have to adapt that kind of personality and education also obviously khara ne ke che thwe go ra inji she go na khari sho go na so yeah tangi khala wala na chinji matang thana nga studio chere it's because nga studio te mena nga pheba nya dukanes khande chigor but do you think I'm facing lots of challenges nga like kale pe dutini ye thanda shugile khade kale tes but ngarangi vision de lo pesha sa salon chimbo che ende chin de na it's very easy Bhuchung la I swear to God anybody can invest people nang lo pe ko do invest chigo lagi mang bu do pe abu do invest chigo ke salon che ke pe jim bu do lange do but my vision is different because under analytic awareness chilana I'm sure like ngala into positive response ta ram yo ngala backlash mang bo rang yo khashe phalap lap la chumiglo ta ne do nge da ya phalap nyema phalap nge jigra thirin chu dile bosho mang singe dine chungs but that's their karma my karma is different nga gi phamagi ngala lopcha labio da chik you think that that's me bona nya du nga pe kyu do shoge landu nga pe kyu do like life is fulfilled and success is not just about money success is about kerang life la goal yore goal de la khyo khajubu de achieve chi do and fame is also not success fame is just a illusion so what they lege ra honja samala thanda stylist and tas famous chagi do and nge honja le khashi tagas famous chalit ajang lega chile ya ta chigo ende turu da ejo famous chagi leja but I always tell honja ta pe up they are very nice ta select chi wora ge thanda but the team yoge den sama pe up so I always tell them fame is illusion success doesn't mean you should have lots of money and another successful me pesa ye abuton sama cancer level mangche very depressed very sad life inside life so thongara but goal is something kira success is like something kira life like goal yours kujuna ge goal yours you wanted something you have your vision and you're this other and it's helping so many people me mangbo je inspire chagor kujuna ge platform dini me mangbo je la opportunity ra or ta pena nga do na thiring ngala opportunity dinde ra ta thiring da ngone thane I feel like ta tups savage my mommy nge pala mata pe proud is thank you so much yeah such a big platform ngala ende ra da oh my god ngone thane la ani what did do chi da
ta nga zo chida ya ma ke mang bu dinang lo chuba do ta chasra kirang ki kangi re yang kirang ki di mang bu dinang lo la chugo do chasra kirang ngone ta da ki on ta kala jida chik advice nju da suisa jida mi ji rang nang lo ta kirang ki ta chi bu ma re kirang ki mang bu thong yo re ti 총 개다 이내에 다 간지도 이렇게랑 통하라 비나tional 로트 나고라 미키 삼는 나고라 비나tional 레가디 직교인 바 레가디 야가인 바 간지도 담다 통하라 딘데기 통네야 먼저 디타 딩인 되었나 딘줄라 키랑 뭐네 한다보다 냠뉴 사교 디 메시지도 카테서
네 메시지 다 한다 다 passion 나이디 가시 춘진하는 로트라는 리도 I think 담으로는 피거 치고라기 다 그런게 passion 거리 개시 헤어드레싱이 passion이나 please continue your education and marta the odila stereotype shukche bo cha thani pugun mi samai acceptance chisha so do not accept this accept ma chi dila kera lobjong chi pe khechum bor lobjong chi in english kera communication la phendugur science kera formula so la phendugur maths kera gi chiga la phendugur this sama it's very important kera regular hairstylist na kera artist global artist had a big difference and what is has the aim higher aim very high and this is the look jong yakbuchi communication yakbuchi and please thambo susu samlo ta ra hairdresser mangboji and phama singe mangboyor ani career yakboyo the phama khashi pugula phama khashi la penjo medu and pugu zo khasa pudu das nga pesha sarang dugi la jira ti main beche pesha sai khechum bor nyamdo la passion yue pe khechum bor ra passion nyamdo dedication yue jira dedication yue da susu honest de pe khechum bor samgdo because office lega khari na shugula thin sawor dewa manzo human to human behavior it's a human to human relationship ta de tube chibogi di is something secondary da first the ngazo me dewa chhidwa me dewa chhidwa la khaju ki susu genuine da khaju ki honest da susu khaju ki authenticity da ethics ye na I think long way to ra maybe kira so che thing Instagram la dot wow de mi sama ya thing kira so ye ma de sama but as I told you Instagram famous da khari che it's all illusion back of the man you should know yourself kera la khaju value de kera khaju de do because kera yurung go ora so sustain che samma ma ta mo do negap ki me de nga 직 차도나 마서 마치 푹 템보 약보 직 profession dila honesty de pe khechum bor rishal ne odi 직 che niwa de la kharela na hair industry pe washer kera opportunity khari chigo samna che yorda like hairdresser chigo member changma and anga dile wangche kuchi nyamyo yakbo saro chile ra thangbo sho nyamyo yakbo saro chi khaisna pe yakbo ranga zu peba changma chikchila one thane hairdresser to the pick seba good and at the same time opportunity te pe khechum bor opportunity rawa da se yang so la de khechum bor ki nyamyo sa pe khechum bor nyamyo chama sa wacha ani direct authority len shay chik do I think it's too early right please you have to be honest with you and mi shemala honest china ani cholam doine ya ru one Bhuchung la nga odi samgido being too smart is I think will work I think this success chagi gre but one thang ne ge seba samoda khadu ne yakpoji genuine the kulong yakpoji intention yakpoji khina I think it will go shu haleo madana sob ji dugre samgido ra and somebody la khala ne phamada changmadela yang penjo yakpo yongi phamada joda pugu penjo yakpo yongi de khale samgore ki phamada ji pugu de la ya ta hairdressing lob chi ti pe yakpo to career samgorta tenisa samdungala ani khonjo gi bumni gi pesha teni kya gi academy la tangor tangdungala ani thamosha ro Bhuchung di pe khechum bore and matang ro like ngarangi samjula first see kherangi pugu di mone thane gi profession de la passion do mindu ro this chiglega chichuna this kale gya chuna thambo kala di lega di glamorous yore yamdala kale pe yorta nija chitwa gorda if you want thorns you can get roses leda ona shi ngajuk kale mangbo gyar pe mangbo kale khasa doer khari chier dishula ngajogi ani chik khawa dona glam chie yor kale che magyane ene lamsa debu sawa la den da yungu mar sang so thangbo khawa le salon chembo chinje chigla tes lega chichu nyamyo sa chu lang tu sare suju digam minyam de ke shit sare kira digam ki kale kya tu sare duk thangbo chitu sare chitu gyo na and then tang the course and majority course din ta and this interest le na shingira phai lap tu wala ni mang che thangbo cho kya na lo la ti pe commercial cha sare commercial pe mang bcha so khonjogi training tedu gala lobjong da salon nanglo la lobjong chhe jara it's completely different the training nanglo la chikla be jida develop ki re practical thesis lab re but salon nanglo chhe jura mangbo je thana ngi gi phaman de jogi ngi je pu de jola phama chu bu mar ta mi mangbo je khashi program ra ne ra gi do academy zu bul do da academy zu bu ra na shu yak bu chaya de khai ku chumar it's all about su passion re do and then lega thwen sa da lamsa dot khajun internship na ho dot ni sum ta ji bon de sim chi je ja ta tang nga do pena hairdresser e chingi ro da ta inspire e char course chir da bumni da two course chir da two logistics course chir ta this all khasam gi I want to do transformation ta nga tang ju su ta se da pa sa phai da je ne ji ende ra ta sim ju in but di bene yak bor da ho jo chi ju ma opportunity ma ra do do ga na ho jo di and nyok demotivate cha and you share jo so di ma chi ra an pesha thola ani di chola thambo pu pursue ma chi ngela thambo ra ya ko jin da je ro ke is he serious or not puine pumoine serious re do mendo thambo duk thagi do mendo ani passion thande na and course tang na and thambo shino course tinjole ta gong ya gong chimo dindle ya ta nga thana nga ju gi phage ITI thana ngi gi student sama phani internship nge kela soimba nge internship la workshop sudu wala nge cho de paper ra pu de jo internship te khonjo professional proper training dige wa khonjo thanda khonjo sama academy yak pe bolu joy khonjo professional top sama de le la pu do so kira dawa thugla chingge je khonjo dawa sumna perfect cha ro ta daw lo chik bodu ta yo yak bu cha ro ta like literally because nge gi nyam nyu la por mi shma la por so this ne mentor yak bu dam mentor pe yak bu dam because entra khaje do da lagba da thi da menda da shu kena sak shima de ache ne kesi kena mentor na you know where to aim shira hana then you get it and nyamdo di raw and please be be really kind and like thangbo che di if somebody is helping you or showing you a way, appreciate and gratitude pe kechmor sam gitu kala na nganzo ki professional la chi khari na nganzo su gembal pe khushabe kala dir khushabe de su la chi gero phala khushabe che de su la debu ra da kunjogila ra thebegi chagi na I think there is some thebegi di thebaya na gauni chilab ra ri logic ente doji do so odi chine su gi chi 미담네 직 롭정도 라에나 니마치게 펜토나 치게 싱에나 다 딜라 드링 약부쳐도 징모 보면 마시 와체 because life is very long right it's so yeah
다 지당 디제나 소소이나 디링하는 냠뉴 망보레 트랑갈 knowledge 망보레라 타이네 나디가 knowledge 메디라 냠뉴 메디 니 딩냠도 슈 투두 체인데 ngal kemindoa digi ta rangala thna yo che mong pa chik chego samni de yore yang khashi tala ing yo ne ya de gal chik chego samni da de yos na ra konju gi mong pa kirang la mutini dewa che da de chi do khande cho ta dewa mutini lob tu ine re ta kurang zo ta soga lengi ine re yang ta ngala ke je thu ine de yos na chike khala ine re ko ine kirang la dewa chi sa de khande cho
dewa di ta Instagram page re and ye phone number odil te share re tapena ye gi than lega chidang mi mangche endli kyosanan le kyo mindu mangche le so ye gi lega di khadu na nga appointment basis le gi gimje de kharesna nga de la appointment le du gala le client de la tuzu ni ma yenga client chi ge ne nga pa tuzu pura tin du yo ani ta client me na nga de di me khaisna nga di tuzu di nga suggestion bal du gi 내가 지금 망보직을 지금 내가 망보직 the brands our collaboration chain ata I'm everywhere salon shambanyamdo collab chigo enare dide chigo na I make sure that I'm everywhere like doing something productive so under logic che khaisina ngegi pugun thana student zerwa khozo dela training chigo ro nyamdo la salon shamba tangi wa khozo la hala desalon chigo dena manjutila dena khozo awareness li hora mar so khozo weekly khozo pa salon chimol ro janga taga ki difference khato harshingi do so dila god chesa di akore networking gora and I make sure that I keep a good network ro phajola lega this phado ni training this day do jia pesha maling ni training to stay and khonjo ki ngyanjo pheba ki internet de jo lelo shine shaya do jira so it's like barter system so I make sure that I keep my gates open everywhere and niwa de la kharela na ngala ingek interns yada dimang che ngegi ITI ni khonjo shage khonjo ki at least logic internship chine del digol ani ta khese su ine ngone thane ki pe passionate yenar da pe passionate honestly see salon la duala Dechen salon ta ngegi Instagram da page it's a studio it's complete studio where makeover education dirang innovation garang la lega chorang jo when we are not doing work we are all studying khonjo chik chiwa gyu da and I will share khonjo they are like really good so ngala team khande godula na some khonjo khranzo live la passionate da he rang la chik grow chigi la ja chik chigi la ja and mare das time pass chine do khala na ende pu mangbo thus ra be pu mangbo thus khawal do na chik phebegi sokba yak bodin do yang lapki do khonjo pe ge yak bodo thunge pe yak bodo opportunity pe yak bodo but they don't take this opportunity free la ge they appreciate chimida odi ma chewa che thanda TCC ki thanda phagela Tibetan training center hang sae gi yakpo ITI hang sae gi yakpo fees shira mindu dinde yakbolap ge de gena de dinde yakodo tan ine student serious yomar time pass chali ITI is still better TCC la pe I think dosum na you will learn nothing and odila yakpo chik gegen pe yakpo phagela this chik dedicatedly so gela gegen ge kyshap sha jora chik 정본 앙시면다 걔랑 얘기 냠주에나 걔랑 like no 수모 수에나 걔랑 냠주에나 디 friendly share da professionalism gi respect share pe kechi mor samgit one ordinary dola pugu serious mang she phage dola one jane gi opportunity di lengna era pheba nanglo la thana chokba do TCC pe hangsa ya bor thana Himalaya da north east chopu du ha kora kogeyo mar thanda Sikkim Darjeeling Kalimpong Guwahati, Assam, Tawang, pugudu zo yomare. I think Dharamsala denge chupuji hagu the TCC, the ITI dinzo. I think everybody should know through this podcast. Kisi kiran zo pugudu zo, one thane ke chik thambota jik jange mana thambo TCC da ITI latang. One thane ke thambot jangchu rwa khanje support yakko chido honjoge. Honjoge labgido wa. And lapsane dini rwa dini susu lamsang salon che dang lamsang tanga pamala pesha yonga salon che shege ene ma chiwa che because kirangi the hairdressing ga je adjunct you have so many things to learn maybe could leachi lobjong chi leachi training chi lobjong chi leachi so lo chunga dinga leachi lobjong chi lobjong chi ro thande nga lobjong chi ban ching me da thana august la yang I have an international training again. I make sure that nga hattu na upgrade dige. And so it's very important. Ra what in the do chine me de. And nga nyam do ngone chine lega chinge do da the interest na I'm like more than happy. Nga shoot zikpu
lega chinge la na khande do.
Interns.
Oh, okay.
Like who wants to work in doing a consultant. Kaje that viewer do ungira kaje chik maybe chik chinge to chidang ma she do ji khawa do approach chidang like ke so manashi kesi ta khonjoge chik easy life do samla ta na no nga for me nge studio the nge team is like a family nga jo dela family nang shi de or I have a very transparent relationship with my team nga jo we stay like sisters khala yam do sage honjo sangma dela khala yakpo ji sae pe kheje bor sagde honjo sangma yam do dene mi de khala family like honjo sangma family kha tharing bor honjo family do de I have a big vision more vision is not to open a big salon or pesha so yeah definitely pesha so or occasion but I think thanda ngala loye energy I think I want to do something like more legendary you know make my parents and community proud that process le reda process le tring dang appe proud because thangboda getting this opportunity is a proud moment
thank you
one thane lai ta odi nge di opportunity de nge ma milestone mangbo ji cheni ngala opportunity de ra because nga khai goj ma china ta khele gi ngala opportunity nang mara yama nga social work this chi ra thande ne social work chi da awareness te da oda and do chi chingi mangbo ji ra na ani ta da pasang sangmo page da de page da
yin kuke shabu de
nga thabo she bujula thanda ding ngaran chi pogi dum dinga de chai di tikle ji ro ding ngai gi chin chi bo ma ding e gi getu khonzo gi chin ro ala khonzo nyam do chi khran gi life transformation che ji do this is like it what makes me going come show this show sangmo nga last year empower vision chokba hang sai ge bo ke ba empower vision chokba hang sai ya bo ba hong de collab chi nga jo ITI la du go wa nga workshop de nga intern phani dam gi wa so nga last year 2024 ki internship program la du la nga phani mo yakshu one of the best you do phani dam and thanda she's a top artist of Dechen Salon ani
my door ra okay tra no motor che ra
tesile
tagi nge ta de la motor ya what's just
ngeming sangmui ani inten an ITI la teaching la the training ani acha teaching sanan la to de
the training chi de ra
training cha
internship cha now they are proper top artists
training e pin le go ra
pani training ji basic lingo ra ta de la advanced training kala da konso direct khaji la da mang che pani le da lamsa floor la chidu ma la la ta lobjong theory practical mangbo ji class do or ta konso sama che sa da ta je graduate chi sa da
mikra nyam ka de chim
nyam na de chim
nyamnya yakbo chonsra ngara mangpo ji senso la diga nga kyu de khan susu pepaji aja ji tamna tam mangpo ji le yora la lobjong do ya aja nyamnyo pe mangpo san chungden ya tin dong ara ya aja dam dong ara pe kyu chonsra ta aja damna mangpo ta lobjong mangpo ra song ra wonder
susu ya kali vision to the
vision
ta vision da ya ta changmal ai tin ngara ya ando ra ta pepaji chona ande chero ina ya nyamnyu mang pe kor samudra da ya gasa ga nyamnyu ya tangbo ta nyamnyu mang bo sai de chembur samudra tangbo ta ngara nyamnyu mang bo sai de ra
pasang dire da ta nge aje too talented ngai thanda bodo legend chungyo sama thanda ba I think tingema gi legend sama miss chere but they are like pasang the top artist pasang how was your journey from ITI to Dechen Salon khari saw shing so khari chungso jenny ni thanda ba ngam so thiba ngai ko ma yoda kyo khari chunda thiring la mo ne la dukje ne la na dir ta le cha la
ता शेता आइडियाला एंडे बेसिक यापो लब गिरिया या केला दिन सगे अनि ने फाल्ला वादा देले छियो मने क्लाइंट गांला या पेट खागारे दा अनि देले मांगबो सिंगे रासो आइडियाले बेसिक जां अनि दे नेक्स्ट देला पूरा दिछि छिरा अनि ओंदी अनि देले मांगबो सिंगे रासिंगे दा या क्लाइंट याम दो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट interact chea da ani consultation ne ya aja class tier nga zala ya telarang so chir ani chilo ne mangbo labka do kedang do chiro onde zo mangbo singa ras onde
mota like literally chigyora changma ji puku changma la me de special quality pair pujungla tangai puli ra khaje yo fill la pe apur tapena sangmo is like operation mo client che da salon operation khade che tipe thona she's calm but she observes everything kugu samala talent but to recognize talent ta ding ala USP jer more khaje operation da client handling da ta kela dishe ge da amazing ta mola ewa client ke je sheda consultation as a client walk in the consultation shidang da and product ko la dishe ge da the content shidang chikla oh my god she's a pro ta within sama like video ge dang ke je shedang billing shedang Sangin Quran so ta lo mabusula nyami mabusa and dini salon pe lagiwa long issue is all about kalege nyamyu sai lo sumchu simda ngazo to ene after 13 shini business is gotsur thande abcd jangde business de manjitila de jangai mangochidu but lo jack magi I think that's a word from jack mangai jangyara long issue is all about jang learning experiencing lo sumchu is like trying risking failing rising and 14 it is stable there doji yeah any thiwa shiba
shiba kira ji pila
chikle
ajo jagan tuna gyo la
yeah
idan ngana singta la tuna che mi ipet tete lengi de dunia koma sin jilengi de ra ni a kaso kotala tuna sare tala tuna samari lam sa ha bude
ha kuido ya khwaida lam samara inde tada ta ngazo kijaro she chide ane je thana shushu me do lara ani ta je resha ta dry do ya kala ani shampoo da dinzo khakha yora onde zo yang zo deshege kechimbu chagora ani kuzo la nangshi ani onde client sule na yang zo deshege yori ya changmala di chuna ya bore di ma chiro ya ndero onde de shampoo inde gorda ani ta la care after care inde ya 상망아 저 되시게 될래나 안 된대.
Jula DJ pro cha ta konsola nima takpa class or nima takpa reda when there is no client ta konso class sura any class some fun class to sura DJ pro cha ta gala problem the concern the solution she nganzo majutala das laughing sa da chamjam dugira ta di itala di problem tharu mune le konso ya konso pe passion and pick youth I want them to have passion and mara das later to pesha kamai che mado che chik purpose the passion le cha ki oh phage aja bhaita da koi mo itala dinde che na pe abo so mo itala dinde che ta yo khonzo ene ta like pro do cha and this yeah the pe abo da
ngada sitam shembai de mangoyora izolo
lapcharo ne next coming stylist denzola ora kala laptopu denzola dobaro yero china ani opportunity mango peore ani color pewarangi the institute doya chugyo ne mangbo yoreya ani onde la to ani basic jang an khangso intern tang do chiria ani intern denzola ani complete chila lawo samsra ani complete china ani so experience yakura to chira onde that's very nice
thank you okay yeah
I think I have a mic
okay
ta tips la ne ta ngi shiwa na ta ding ara rang ito ne ngazugi hair myths hair myths kisi break chiwa na ro the tips thangi ki like the tips say you that now this is hair myth the hair myth khari lana number 1 ta oiling chine ta yapu cha do chira so that's a myth bojing hong yi we ta yapu oiling chine ta yapu cha I think this is more like you know the thing gi ngazu gi ladies we were the pe gasar ra so ta oiling chine ta yapu cha de and that's a myth kain sina ngi thangi shuwa na shi ta oiling the dot oiling mangbu chirwa oiling ta chi and then you shampoo your hair shampoo should do sulfate that did machina ani bosu thung marwa ani shampoo chik shampoo ni and then you lose your moisture so more than benefit dig harm chikor oiling chine so oiling machi like hair la oiling ta chawala scalp la chi num chi dwa nga pe oiling chige ta pe na nga zo gi thanda pheshu men jega gi num dwa hang sang yakpo ngazu pheba ngazu gya client celebrity client mabu pe pheshu dang garda hunne kala ngazu laira dikra deep pressure do kera oiling ma chikera pheshu men jega en khoza dur kalka ji lagel ngwa men jega yora chakpuri gi num these these are very good for like lung yora ngazu sama lung like you know nga ande do chine chamba muslin cotton muslin sha and the bullet chamba lu rewu chi num this house deep chi you should also do this deep it will just give you so much of relaxation to body and mind and then like you know 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 and then you hold to the it is so good then you can give little bit of massage and wash up your hair this is like really good it's very good for your body and hair like you know body good for body and mind ra odi chesra mit ni dikhari break chona thana pheba nanglo lamene pe mo box type pichudang lir pojula box style it's a Garnier L'Oreal TV now chik teng do so TV now they think like that's very good but think for some pesha rane at tengora so Garnier L'Oreal da hina de sama la coating pe shumbur so the gita you pe hang sai gi thula tang bor pe hang sai like literally ta nanglola cuticle thangi yela swa thangi color chiwa ma she the cuticle gangza block chor so the block chidu and ta cannot breathe the hair follicle cannot breathe breathe chimatuna ani ta dry brittle cha che fall cha and mi gele pe kyenchur so box tai machiro nang odi lai nyamani nga customer sama lange paper soup he na nga di lagyo ene thindi the platform is bigger so ta box tai ta na Garnier L'Oreal de machiro chi professional color yore pe easy tube nge I think singing kesi chudang do jila wana I can put this in Instagram but the one thane ge subul pe ne ge so odi machiro na ra box tai di any sumba di stop doing straightening, rebonding and keratin. Like literally it's not good. Odi one thane ge it's not good for health. It's not good for health. So mid sum dindir. Odi mid sum.
Yeah. So dinang lo hawan de chungse. Mang chi da sisra dinang lo la. Ani ya hawan de yusna susung ni kaptu tewachne de yo Dechen Salon Instagram da phone number kare ne ra. Yeah, dinang zo tizira 아니 디쳐 투지체 나이 나라 남기 신기오 마라 디네가나 투나 세게 제 중요 마라 아니 되게 드링아 오 따쳐도 서메도 이제 같이 중스라디
나라이네 가서 부질라이 다 플랫폼 빼 하고 나 부질라이 지와든 저 원에 전에 빼 하고 딱 나라이니 직가 따디 플랫폼 케기 나라 나와 낭신기 I should also be responsible enough to 파조들 inspire chada educate the knowledge le jiro I hope the productive chayagira kaisina some susugi ta mone chanegi awareness scheme points khashi ste some this out charuda so yeah I hope ngi points this head hoiro
dinang dende yama chuin mangbo tle some tra thokba khari wo isni thega dosne tila an thama message ya
thema message tila yeah ngarangi message chi khari lana thanda ngarangi experience langa har samsla social impact like the social media awareness the color standard beauty standard jigdo pe shna so high jigdo to shonge de zol especially khari to la shonge de phama de mangbo jela me de nganzu gi tapena nge gi Instagram la social media la transformation ten di da wa de che it has a reason because transformation di because I really want to show a transformation while he di because my product khaji nang lo gi introduce sugar, so I do that the because it has to look good, but sometimes didn't it the pe mong ta social media khacha the sama makeup shooting it ta shooting it makeup shooting it cut scroll chiwa sometimes who zo they get influence ki oh beauty standard ta didn't shoot. I think this is so important. So Hodi, I just want to being a hair influencer, educator, artist nagi message dikhari lana. Please don't get influenced. Don't get influenced. Social pe beauty mangbo thong ro na khonsa samala di this is ama pe khechum bore samay ja whatever we do also vegan ta and color chiwa and khari chiwa, these are all makeup chiwa, these are all superficial just to because this life lang so one mental health that is sama edu lang ajo ki chibor, and we have to be good at our job, but the inji number one chago marta. So this sema sambo che so meditation che so life la kyu de so life la purpose ye just sema kyu de deep pe khechumor any social media la beauty standard and pomo lo ngi shi senga lo chonga chuduk lo ngi senga is prime age. Enhance your natural beauty. Has nanga do pomo lo chinji mobuli the color tangale and nga me la yo because as a profession in I have like be honest pu chinji la color tang na ya bumedo. It's the ink shidula chigni tang na tang remando shamba hang se gi like you know shouldn't do chemical work and a machine ya per like enhance your natural beauty. The enhance pu youngsters and don't social media la khari thongge chama don't believe and choose your influencer wisely because the thing related mena hair related mena kala danga just phebe ki community nal influencer mangbo da sometimes it gets a very good impact, sometimes it gets a very bad impact also. Ani viewer the majo pheba chibo member thawa anila ma sama like you know there are so many n number of innocent people, they watch it and they believe it blind di ma cha so social impact the pu chinji lo chinji the phama the la lamsa la khari thongwa di ji ma chi le ja, it's all made up. Yes, and I have a new slice nga tawa which is I just come up with the Dechen Salon nyamdo ta tinge ki lega chida ta lo mangbo jinga khari lega chida la hair gang lega chide ba, so I just come up with my own brand Dechen hair extension so di khari la na ta mi go la ta me gyo da yo pugu chiji ta color tangi lagi do ta color ma tang la do and ta clip colorful clip gar shaya do da kolata me gyo do da so dizing ala ta so tangi dinge hair company ji ko che is on
na ko chi ra
coach I think it's already there.
Oh okay
That's the branding marketing the catalog the mangul ha there but the lo mangbo kali gyan re da package manufacture cha sare ani dinalo la design so the sama chi sare enta ta sample mangbo ji ke mi sama la check chi de ya the suit khade chi do chi mi do la ne ani ya draw phal, so it's a lot of work. Yeah, so but ngat this chick manda pheba nang lo la this manda chinge thosa ya
ni
thank you
all the best bro ani during those days you go chung song to chi che to da ting yeah nga zu duk sam chana mara
thank you so much to chi che kading
nga zu
su
tawla cameraman say
samala
la
to chi che
samol to che
dawla da moni thane ko kyepe da su sa thagi I think to chi ya shang ni chu sa
Kawa ini chukra.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
ngazu
you.
duk sam
Thank you.
chana.
This is now.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Bhuchung.
ta ma da nga zu close to
Bhuchung jing de.
yeah
Really?
ran shimban khawa de chuma sa ye ya tyo chome gyo ma bu ku yu
Me kha Bhuchung.
ya de nang zu par gap de dunga timba su sa ni nyama ra de bi show ching chu lem ba da daily ki show ching ta rang che tura thalo yang ge chu lem ba di ngor chi da
Ali las tichina nga thank you for addressing this. Tanga pe proud moment resha nyama thank you opportunity chik ras thanda show dile che ro 2020 25 khaji All India Beauty Hair and Expo chik July sogor so ni sogor chik Mumbai sogor chik Delhi so Delhi lana yangya Dechen Salon team da nga dila show dila chu so and I'm very excited nga ani pheba na basamola melam gya show I make pheba
ngazu ke beauty na khande cho chigyore competition do re kara
yeah this chick thambo ni la this competition sugar it's just that the social media la like comment dang any message in the chick encouraging message to chick china chick bo dixer ta odo chinera to chena
miss this senior ya titu kya kyo che ta khare ne ra
lao
ngazu le ya po do che ga
ngara chuma ede ta mangbo china ani chuma ta low maybe low within long as chuma this level jile na ngarang zu phebe nang zu lai ngarang chi ede do ji chi ge mi thong shin ta ngang zu phebe nang lo la ta thangbo phebe nang lo hairdresser mangbo the ta didi long as nang la ta phebe mangbo chi cha sa ro and didi ngarang zu gi international hair expo member top global Tibetan hair show the beauty show and che gi ngarang gi me gi didi organize yeah thank you so much
June last night on the text chain.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bhuchung.
Wow, thank you so much.
The Bhuchung I did what the Navy, the national business on my the vegan, subject free, paraben free, and the animal cruelty free. But then I need to get sure. Brand nang che ko sama gi chana ta mi denga la ba testing chi check chi feedback te the vegan color pe ya yor that na the vegan na la ya sa ka vegan ha chi ma pe shu bud so that thana dekha some brand sa was le clinic di nga ha testing that's why and me testing chi and dosing feedback pe ya bud brand ma bule ni di ya bud le ba so khonsa ga jing gi review te ge ju ra ye ge di ngola ma bu ta na so ma bu chi theor 이게 뭐 버티니 콜을 가게 또 가림도 so 어디 빼하고 약슈동에 and then I got selected as their main educator and brand ambassador so yeah the ambassador educator 직접 and brand ambassador is also yeah 아니 하나 thank you so much
왜 다들 인진지 상황 사갈랑 발라 되지 교수 나를 보면 또 이제 지시 주고 그냥 내리 거야 말아 근데 제가 주 파인 바이는데 sabche represent
lao khaisina ta ngara zu platform dila chowo dila kharila na spreading compassion happiness peace ra and opportunities and youngster la lamden de na ra ngone chane nga disam bi de mi samale ra ki ngone chane rom china mo bu maung be senza ani ta dinzo sama awareness ra dinzo sama lo chung jayo the students I think that is more education the happy positivity the compassion I think all this stretch now where's so
thank you
and that the like makeup studio the living chair makeup so the problem teaching the best test the team complimentary makeup te order is one glam look and another the photo shoot the so yeah the concept 100 na another the just simple sweet and pen figure so you're not just getting a service you're getting a whole experience of a like dream makeover makeup chi yeah quite get like studio like big post down do you I mean 1 2 3 4 like that again share time any down in the chi together you experience the experience here this the experience the party in oh my god I can look this glamorous as so kisi tilinga nyok dera gara pa yakko chidana didi I'm so happy that it's such a mood booster so that's my vision thank you
thank you
thank you so much thank you so much so di nga ta pa ende chile mi nga ki proper prescription so nga ta ko di chi wa
Basta samo. Shampoo, hair cleanser. Hair cleanser. Only scalp. Raw. So, 이만 가지고 지내지. Sulfate free. So no problem. Only scalp. Raw. This is hair. 아니 hair mask 인지 미지. On wet hair shampoo chamada. Raw. This one. On wet hair. Raw. Keep for at least starting around 5 to 10 minutes shampoo now, and then rinse no shampoo. Rinse chasa then this has a raw tell them boy towel dry apuch mosh ye suited towel dry chasa on wet hair apply the cream the why because junayama kanjung mo pay do ke mo pay chu damida dichi thani ko little bit chuna do and this in the natural texture dilla beja and it do so the just to fight that and to make your hair very easy to maintain so apply on wet hair this shoe and scrunch your hair scrunch lana tala thani do and it I think also it the choose out just to scrunch there you go. And whenever the Bhuchung come up here and you feel like, oh, this chick singing, the moment you just go and touch it with water. The moment you apply this much, and then you just apply, instant the hair will be like, now sound like image, yeah. So, yeah. So,
Thanks.
It's the individual being this is.
Stephen.
Jonas, 가자.
Oh, thank you so much.
나 찡해성.